Every student who has registered for Math Challenge 2018 is eligible for a coupon worth 299 rupees with which to access EDeQUAL's online math assessments. These online assessments can be accessed via a computer or a smartphone using the internet. Students can test their math competency levels across multiple topics, including those they will be quizzed on in the competition. A unique coupon code for your students has been generated, which is the combination of your school's username and password for Math Challenge. For example, if your school's username is K085 and your password is 123456, then the coupon code for your students to access these assessments is K085123456 without any spaces. Please instruct your students as follows to access the online assessments by EDeQUAL. First, go to the quiz site, which is simply quiz.edequal.com. If you are a first-time user, scroll down the page and click on Sign Up. You need to decide which quiz package you want to enroll in. There are 5 packages offered. The first 2, copper and bronze, should be used by those students who are going through the Pakistan National Curriculum. So schools that offer the Pakistan National Curriculum, their students should opt for copper or bronze. Silver, gold and platinum packages should be accessed by those students whose schools follow the O-level math curriculum. The gold and premium and platinum are premium packages against which the coupon can be applied to avail a significant discount. Copper, bronze and silver packages can be accessed entirely for free with the Math Challenge coupon. Once you go through the details of each package, you can determine which package to purchase. Remember, with the Math Challenge coupon, the purchase is free. So you get copper, bronze and silver for free and gold and platinum for a significant discount. Students can then click buy on the package they prefer. So in this case, we assume that they buy the silver package, which is of course free with the coupon. You then fill in your required details. This includes name, email and mobile number on the online form and click the link to enter your coupon code. A box will appear where you enter the Math Challenge coupon code for your school and you then click on Apply Coupon. Your order details are shown next with the total amount charged. Click on the box to accept the terms and conditions and then click Place Order. You will see an order confirmation screen appear and then you will be automatically directed to the assessment package that you have been enrolled in. Click on the package you are enrolled in under My Assessments, which will show you the topic or grade level assessments that you can now take. Students can review their scorecard as they go through the various assessments by clicking the report icon. Each assessment in a package can be attempted only once. Once students have signed up for a package, they will be sent their unique username and password via email to the address they provided at sign up, which enables them to access the quiz at any time. Good luck and happy quizzing!